So today we're going to talk about the programmable tacker. This Pfaff machine is electronically controlled and is a little bit intimidating because it works differently than other machines you may have used. But it is really good for bar tacking. Bar tacking is where you attach belt loops or reinforce at a crotch or at pockets like here and here. Today we're going to discuss how to use this machine, how to thread it, wind the bobbin, and choose different stitch lengths and all that. First thing we need to do is check the bobbin. For this demonstration, we're going to be using black thread, so we're going to fill the bobbin with our black thread. Start with your thread cone on the spindle, pull your thread up, and insert it through your plastic eyelet. Make sure your eyelet is in line with your thread cone. Start with your thread through the back thin spindle, wrap it around through your tension plates, and back in through the same hole. Bring it forward and wrap it several times around your bobbin. And set it up ready to spin counterclockwise so the thread is to the left of your bobbin. Push this lever in, turn your machine on, press your bobbin winding function, press on the pedal. When you're done, when your bobbin is filled as far as you would like it to go, press your bobbin winder button again to stop winding. When your bobbin's full, take your bobbin, insert it into your bobbin case, thread it through just like a Bernina, and pull to make sure your bobbin spins clockwise. With a little bit of a tail, insert your bobbin post up under the machine until it clicks in place. Close your cover. Now you're ready to thread your machine. Threading starts through this eyelet here, back to front, then through here, top to bottom, candy cane around, top to bottom again, through your first set of tension plates, down, straight through your second set of tension plates, skip this hook and pull it until it clicks through your black hook here. You should be able to pull it and the black hook jiggles a little bit. Then down through your big silver hook, around through your small silver hook, through your take-up lever, straight down, candy cane through, straight down again, candy cane through again. Then you're ready to thread your needle bar. Right to left through the top hole of your needle bar, then left to right through the bottom hole of your needle bar, trim the end of your thread, and front to back through the eye of the needle. Now your machine is threaded and you're ready to sew. With your bobbin wound and your machine threaded, turn your machine on. Always test on a piece of scrap first. Start with your first setting. Place your fabric under your presser foot. Press your pedal halfway down to start the clamp and the rest of the way down to start the machine. P1 is a fairly wide bar tack. P2 is very wide. P3 is almost the same as P2. I have a piece of belt loop that I've pinned to scrap to demonstrate how to sew on a belt loop. I've marked where I want my belt loop to be and put it in place with the edges folded under. For this size of belt loop, I've decided that P2 is going to be the best stitch for me. I'm going to mark it or place it under the presser foot, push halfway down. I don't like where that is, so I'm going to lift back up and press it down again. Make sure your belt loop is centered on that presser foot. That way the stitch will be perfectly in the center of your belt loop. When you're ready, grab your tweezers, pull your pin out, and ready to go. Move down to the bottom of your belt loop, clamp it, adjust it as needed. When you like it, pull your pin and go. It automatically trims all your threads, so you don't need to worry about that. You have a functioning belt loop.